if I don't buy at least one share of Tesla, I'm gonna hear it for the rest of my life. Oh my God, guys, today was such a crazy day. We had Facebook earnings, we had Microsoft earnings, and then we had Tesla earnings. Today, we're gonna talk about Tesla because I felt like I was gambling for a second, honestly. It was a little bit of a whirlwind, I've gotta say. But yeah, Tesla has been a stock that I've been eyeing for a couple months now. And there's a lot of reasons for it, but I never bought into it even though I saw so much potential in it. And I would always say all these really good things, but my heart just wasn't with the company. Also, it was kind of at a high price point at that time for me. And I was still kind of like uncertain about how much money I would have dedicated into investing into Tesla. But it wasn't until recently, like about a month ago, I was talking to my dad about Tesla and he was like, you got to invest in Tesla. And I was like, oh God. It was a little pressuring, of course, but it definitely moved me to finally bite the bullet and purchase a Tesla stock. Because I was like, if I don't buy at least one share of Tesla, I'm going to hear it for the rest of my life if this stock goes up. And I deep down knew that had potential to go up to its highs again. Like that was what my belief was. And I was like, why don't I, put money where my mouth is at and where I'm thinking. So eventually on March 27th, 2020, I bought a share of Tesla at $498.56. Just one share. That was all I was comfortable spending on. And recently, these couple nights, I don't know why this week I started feeling, it was probably because I started doing more research on Tesla and I started to realize like, wow, like why am I not going long on Tesla stocks right now? So I decided to purchase a Tesla stock 2 days ago at $784.35 on April 28th, 2020. And yeah, I just had an inkling that it wasn't going to go lower than that for a while. I don't know. It might drop tomorrow, but to me personally, I just felt like it was a good entry point for me. And because I got in at $500 last month, it would have averaged down anyway, my entry or my average cost. So I was comfortable with that. And then this morning I woke up and learned that it was Tesla's earnings, and I should have known that. Even though I was doing research, I didn't know that. Oops. But I woke up and I saw it at 793 and I was like, you know what? Today, I don't know, my gut just told me like it's gonna hit 900. So then I bought one at 793 and towards market close, so after hours, I was looking at the market pretty religiously and I was like, do I chase the market right now knowing that it's gonna hit probably 900 just deep down? So then I just bit the bullet again and I was like, I don't care if this is the max that I'm comfortable spending on Tesla. If it goes down, I'm gonna buy some more, but if it goes up, then good. So I bought that final share during after hours when the market was going literally nuts, going up and down for Tesla. And yeah, with that, the total that I invested in the company is $2,903.25. And that leaves me with a total equity of $3,484. So the current price of the Tesla stock right now is $870. Average price I paid for Tesla was $725.81, leaving me with a profit of $580.75, which is roughly about 20% gain on the Tesla stock, honestly, for just like a month. So I don't know. I was very excited about that. Is anybody else, buying Tesla shares? Let me know. And I hope you like today's more casual, just chilling on my bed in my room, chatting about some of the stock purchases that I bought today. All right, bye.